I'm the student of madrasa, and when I came here before 1 month, that time I can't speak English loudly. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, how are you, everyone? Okay, I am also great by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I almost completed my journey with Believers English Academy almost 1 month. And now I am going to share with my experience what I learned there. It's my first speech in front of many people, and I hopefully everyone avoid my mistakes and takes it carefully. I'm the student of madrasa, and when I came here before 1 month, that time I can't speak English, and I can't what I say and what I understand, I didn't know that. And right now I say something, it's little bit, it's not more than, but I say something in front of many people. And I think it's a great opportunity, and hopefully I think when I completed my journey and when I completed 2 months, that time I will speak fluently and I won't feel shy. Here teachers are very supportive with every students, and their dormitories environments are really good. When I completed this journey, and hopefully I will be a fluent speaker and I will achieve my goal at Believers English Academy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.